Madripoor, Silicon Valley, adventure story of 931 Wackadoodle Boulevard, Silly Valley, California. Once a mere industrial building nestled in the oddball heart of Silly Valley, 931 Wackadoodle Boulevard has become Madripoor, the eccentric stomping ground of tech pioneers, thrill-seekers, and rogue inventors. By day, the property bustles with wild-eyed engineers from Flippertech Solutions tinkering with gadgets that defy logic, and teams from ZapSnaz Incorporated testing neon-glowing, AI-powered drones that zip around the premises like hyperactive fireflies. But when the sun dips, that's when Madripoor's hidden character truly shines. Rumor has it that deep in the warehouse's secret sub-levels are remnants of old tech labs. There's an entrance to the legendary underground network known as the Madri Circuit. Tales from old-timers in the valley whisper about shadowy, high-stakes meetings with AI renegades and cyber-savvy inventors eager to barter in knowledge that's forbidden on the surface. Some say the circuits are protected by a rogue AI nicknamed Sentience, a digital ghost rumored to have awakened in the heart of Silicon Valley itself. One night, as an exclusive group of vibers gathered for a secret reveal party by Flippertech, the room lights suddenly flickered, casting eerie shadows over the colorful, quirky decor. A robotic voice emerged from the building's intercom, "Welcome to the Madripoor Challenge," announcing that anyone who dared enter would face a tech-enhanced scavenger hunt designed by Sentience itself. The prize? A lifetime Madripoor residency and secret lab access pass, rumored to house experimental prototypes light years ahead of anything seen in Silly Valley. Each tenant now hustles harder, competing for innovation in hopes of uncovering Sentience's secrets while achieving the coveted 9.5% cap rate, a magical number that, legend has it, aligns with the mysterious algorithms powering the Madri Circuit. Only the clever, the bold, and perhaps the lucky will unearth what truly lies beneath Madripoor, transforming 931 Wackadoodle Boulevard into a hub of mystique and technological mayhem for years to come. Madripoor, Silicon Valley, industrial property revamp, 931 Wackadoodle Boulevard, Silly Valley, California. Welcome to Madripoor, Silicon Valley, a futuristic hub brimming with innovative energy and offbeat charm, a place where Silicon Valley's brightest minds and quirkiest geniuses converge. Located at 931 Wackadoodle Boulevard, this industrial property is designed to support the ambitions of the gifted and the clever. Companies like Flippertech Solutions and ZapSnaz Incorporated, known for their outside-the-box inventions, are flocking to Madripoor to set up shop, pushing creative and technological boundaries. Property summary and KPI highlights: target cap rate, 9.5% post-renovation NOI target, $250,800 valuation price, $3,135,000 square feet, 6,720 SF price per SF. $467/SF with a strategic plan focusing on post-renovation upgrades to attract top-tier tenants. Madripoor aims to enhance its NOI through smart tenant-centered improvements and community-driven innovation. The Iron Triangle model, fast, cheap, good, balances time, cost, and quality, ensuring a robust investment future in the quirky heart of Silicon Valley. Triple constraint options, fast and good, time and quality, quick, quality-focused upgrades make the space ideal for companies ready to leap into action, fostering higher lease rates from tenants valuing both quality and convenience. Fast and cheap, timeline and cost, focused on basic upgrades, this approach minimizes vacancy time, making it ready for immediate occupancy. Cheap and good, cost and quality, with cost-effective, quality upgrades, Madripoor attracts premium tenants over time, boosting NOI and aligning with the 9.5% cap rate. Conclusion: the cheap and good option aligns perfectly with the property's goals, delivering stable, long-term ROI by attracting quality tenants who value the unique Madripoor appeal. 3C. Triple constraint, Iron Triangle, model for 931 Wackadoodle Boulevard. The primary goals for this industrial property at 931 Wackadoodle Boulevard are: achieve a 9.5% cap rate, upgrade tenant quality to attract higher value, long-term tenants. The triple constraint model, Iron Triangle, will help evaluate these goals within fast, time, cheap, cost, and good, quality, constraints, focusing on achieving an optimal balance of these factors to maximize property investment potential. Current property details, key KPIs, property attribute data address, 931 Wackadoodle Boulevard, Silly Valley, Madripoor. Property type industrial building area 6,720 SF lot size 0.13 acres price $3,135,000 price per SF $467/SF current cap rate 8% target cap rate 9.5% NOI fictional estimate $250,800 year built 1960 clear ceiling height 10 ft accessibility features 3 roll-up doors, ADA bathroom traffic exposure plus 272,000 vehicles per day, VPD, key amenities gas, water, floor drains, high ceilings ideal tenants logistics, light manufacturing, retail. Triple constraint options 1. Fast and good, quality and time focused, Objective: maximize tenant readiness quickly with high-quality upgrades, making the property attractive to premium tenants who value convenience and quality. Improvements: rapidly complete renovations, for example, office spaces, common areas, ADA-compliant restrooms, to attract tenants in logistics or light manufacturing. Improve curb appeal, maximizing freeway visibility to draw tenants in high-traffic-dependent industries. Cost impact: higher cost due to expedited work and high-quality materials, potentially stretching budget constraints. Expected outcome: allows quicker tenant occupancy and raises rent potential to reach the target 9.5% cap rate, with potential to attract tenants willing to pay for a well-located, quality space. 2. Fast and cheap, timeline and cost-focused. Objective: make basic, cost-effective upgrades in the shortest time to minimize vacancy, making the property operational with lower initial investment. Improvements: implement necessary repairs, for example, roll-up doors, restroom touch-ups, without extensive redesigns or high-end finishes. Market the property as is for immediate occupancy, targeting tenants needing functional space without frills. Quality trade-off: limited upgrades in quality could result in a less attractive space for high-value tenants, limiting NOI. Expected outcome: faster move-in timeline with minimized renovation costs. Could help achieve a lower cap rate more quickly, though may not hit the 9.5% target due to restricted tenant interest in premium leasing rates. 3. Cheap and good, cost and quality focused. Objective: prioritize high-quality improvements within a controlled budget, allowing flexibility in project timeline to ensure cost-effective, tenant-centric upgrades. Improvements: select affordable yet quality materials and focus on essential upgrades that elevate tenant appeal, such as improved office layout, restroom updates, and reliable climate control. Focus on optimizing key amenities, such as roll-up doors, parking, and air conditioning, to improve tenant satisfaction at minimal cost. Timeline trade-off: potential for longer vacancy due to extended renovation timeline but could ultimately attract high-quality tenants willing to pay premium rates. Expected outcome: this option is likely to support a sustainable increase in NOI and higher occupancy rates, aligning well with the 9.5% cap rate target by delivering quality without overspending. KPI summary for goal tracking: rentable square feet, 6,720 SF. Property type: industrial building. Target cap rate, 9.5%. To achieve this, the NOI would need to be $3,135,000 times 0.095 equals $297,825. Conclusion: the cheap and good option best supports the dual objectives of raising tenant quality and reaching a 9.5% cap rate. It balances controlled spending with quality improvements that attract stable, long-term tenants willing to pay for well-maintained, functional spaces. This balanced approach offers sustainable long-term ROI potential and supports the 9.5% cap rate goal without overshooting budget constraints.